let's go over a few more diseases that affect women differently than men. So there are many things like lung disease, but apparently chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or COPD, is the most common. Really? Is the most common and is apparently one of the top 5 leading causes of death?
And what's really incredible about this is that more women are dying of COPD every year than men. And this is particularly interesting because men on average smoke more than women. And we know that COPD is extremely, very strongly linked to smoking. In fact, 9 out of 10 cases of COPD are caused by smoking. So what we're learning is that women may have a different susceptibility to cigarette smoke than men. Women who smoke tend to get COPD, in other words, earlier than men, and tend to get much more severe disease.
And here we're looking at numbers, and forgive me for interrupting, but you can see there the numbers and the differences.
Absolutely,
right there.
Absolutely. And we also know that at the same stage of disease, women report poorer health-related quality of life than men. So we smoke less, but we're more susceptible when we do smoke, and we get more chronic obstructive lung disease than men do.
And what I wanted to share with our viewers, if we could come back now to the studio, is the fact that when we were in a break, she asked me, so what do you think would be #1 in terms of death rates? And you hear a lot of breast cancer, but it's not.
It's not.
It's lung disease.
It's lung disease, and in fact, it's the second cancer in general.
Right.
It's the second leading cause of death in women, and cancer of the lung cancer, is actually the leading cause of cancer morbidity. And in fact, again, if you were to ask most women, they would say breast cancer. And again, there's been such wonderful public awareness and campaigns on breast cancer. But in fact, if you put together all breast cancer, all uterine cancer, and all ovarian cancer together, lung cancer surpasses all of those even together. So that's what's really incredible. And women, unfortunately, are more susceptible to lung cancer than men. In fact, non-smoking women are twice, even a little bit higher than twice as likely of dying and developing lung cancer than non-smoking men.